Want to unlock unstoppable mental toughness? The secret might be in plunging into icy water. Discover how ice baths can boost your focus, resilience, and emotional strength, transforming discomfort into your greatest mental advantage. Stick around to learn the powerful perks of cold exposure. Welcome to Tartan Donkey. Today we're diving into a powerful practice that can significantly boost your mental toughness: ice baths. While the idea of plunging into freezing water might sound uncomfortable, countless athletes, entrepreneurs, and resilience seekers swear by it as a way to strengthen the mind and body. Cold exposure is more than just a recovery tool. It's a mental training hack that pushes you beyond your comfort zone, building discipline, focus, and emotional resilience. In this video, I'll share the top 5 benefits of taking ice baths and how each of these perks can help you develop a stronger, more focused, and resilient mindset. Whether you're looking to conquer stress, improve your discipline, or simply challenge yourself, cold therapy might be the edge you need. I'll also provide practical tips on starting safely and gradually incorporating cold exposure into your routine. Get ready to embrace the discomfort. Your mind and body will thank you. What are ice baths? Ice baths, also known as cold water immersion, involve sitting in a tub filled with cold or icy water, typically between 50°F to 59°F, 10°C to 15°C, for a period of time, usually between 5 to 15 minutes. The goal is to expose the body to extreme cold, which triggers a series of physiological and psychological responses. Historically, ice baths have been used by athletes to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation after intense workouts. However, in recent years, they've gained popularity among entrepreneurs, wellness enthusiasts, and mental resilience seekers for their mental benefits as well. The practice is rooted in ancient traditions. The Romans, Greeks, and Vikings all used cold exposure techniques for health and vitality. When you immerse yourself in cold water, your body reacts by constricting blood vessels, which helps decrease inflammation and swelling. Simultaneously, a flood of neurochemicals like norepinephrine is released, sharpening focus and improving alertness. Over time, regular cold exposure can help condition your nervous system, making you more capable of handling stress and discomfort with greater ease. While it might seem daunting at first, starting gradually with shorter durations and slightly warmer water can ease your body into the practice. With consistency, ice baths can serve as a powerful tool for both physical recovery and mental toughness, helping you face challenges with greater resilience. Perk number 1, enhances mental focus. One of the most remarkable benefits of taking ice baths is the boost in mental focus and alertness. When you immerse yourself in cold water, your body reacts by activating a surge of neurochemicals, particularly norepinephrine, a hormone and neurotransmitter that plays a key role in attention, alertness, and concentration. Elevated norepinephrine levels help sharpen your mind, making it easier to stay focused on tasks and maintain mental clarity. This heightened alertness isn't just temporary. Regular cold exposure trains your nervous system to respond more efficiently to stress and stimuli, improving your ability to concentrate over time. Many athletes and high performers report feeling more mentally sharp and less distracted after a cold plunge. It's like a reset button for your brain, clearing mental fog and enhancing cognitive performance. Moreover, cold exposure reduces inflammation in the brain and body, which can often contribute to sluggishness and focus lapses. By decreasing inflammation, ice baths help protect brain health and support sustained attention. Scientific studies have shown that individuals who regularly practice cold exposure tend to have quicker reaction times and better decision-making skills. Another aspect is the discipline and mental toughness developed through the activity itself. Facing the discomfort of cold water requires a degree of mental resilience, training your mind to remain calm under pressure. Over time, this builds confidence in your ability to handle stressful situations, both physically and mentally. In summary, ice baths serve as a powerful mental focus tool by increasing alertness, reducing mental fog, and strengthening your resilience. Incorporating cold exposure into your routine can give you a mental edge, helping you stay sharp, attentive, and resilient in the face of daily challenges. Perk number 2 builds emotional resilience. Taking ice baths is more than a physical challenge. It's a powerful exercise in developing emotional resilience. When you willingly expose yourself to extreme cold, you confront and manage a significant amount of discomfort, both physical and mental. This act of enduring the cold, despite the initial shock and discomfort, trains your mind to stay calm and focused amidst adversity. Each time you step into icy water, you activate the body's stress response, but over repeated exposures, you learn to control and even diminish this reaction. Instead of reacting with anxiety or panic, you develop the ability to stay present and composed. This mental shift enhances your capacity to handle stressful situations in everyday life, whether it's pressure at work, conflicts, or personal setbacks. There is also a psychological component. Facing discomfort head-on and overcoming it boosts confidence in your ability to manage difficult emotions and circumstances. Over time, cold exposure teaches your brain that discomfort is temporary and manageable, reducing fear and increasing courage in other areas of life. Stories abound of individuals who, after practicing regular cold exposure, report feeling more emotionally steady and less overwhelmed by daily stressors. They describe a newfound sense of control and the ability to reset their emotions after setbacks, feeling more resilient and better equipped to handle life's challenges. In essence, ice baths serve as a mental training ground, strengthening your emotional core. The discipline required to face the cold translates into greater mental toughness, enabling you to bounce back quicker from emotional setbacks, live more fearlessly, and develop a deeper sense of resilience that benefits every aspect of life. Perk number 3 reduces stress and anxiety. One of the most notable benefits of ice baths is their ability to significantly reduce stress and anxiety levels. Immersing in cold water triggers a unique physiological response, releasing endorphins, the body's natural painkillers and mood enhancers that help improve feelings of well-being. At the same time, cold exposure helps lower cortisol, the hormone associated with stress, creating a calming effect on your nervous system. Regular cold exposure trains your body to handle stress more effectively. Over time, deliberate exposure to discomfort helps desensitize your stress response, making everyday pressures feel less overwhelming. It's like building emotional armor. Each cold plunge bolsters your capacity to remain calm and centered during challenging situations. Many people also report that after a cold bath, they experience a sense of mental reset, an ability to let go of lingering worries and anxieties. This mental clarity isn't just psychological. Scientific studies support that cold exposure can regulate neurotransmitter activity, leading to improved mood and decreased feelings of anxiety. Moreover, the practice encourages mindfulness. Focusing on your breath and physical sensations during a cold plunge diverts your attention from stressful thoughts. This ritual reinforces present moment awareness, which is foundational to anxiety management. In summary, ice baths serve as a potent tool for calming the mind, reducing stress hormones, and cultivating mental calmness. Regular practice can lead to greater resilience against anxiety, heightened emotional stability, and a more peaceful state of mind overall. Perk number 4 reinforces discipline and consistency. One of the most underrated benefits of regular ice baths is the discipline they cultivate. Committing to a cold exposure routine requires mental strength to face the discomfort day after day. This act of consistently stepping into cold water, even when you're tired or unmotivated, builds a powerful sense of discipline that extends into all areas of life, from work to personal goals. Over time, establishing a habit of cold exposure trains your brain to embrace discomfort rather than avoid it. This resilience makes it easier to tackle challenging tasks, stay committed to long-term goals, and push through setbacks both physically and emotionally. It's not just about the cold water, it's about fostering a mental toughness that encourages persistence and perseverance in everything you do. Furthermore, the ritualistic nature of ice baths helps embed discipline into your daily routine. Whether it's morning cold showers or weekly full immersion sessions, sticking to a schedule reinforces self-control and creates a sense of accomplishment. As you see progress and feel the benefits, more energy, better focus, greater resilience, you become motivated to stay consistent. In the end, regular cold exposure isn't just about the physical benefits, it's about shaping your mindset, The discipline you develop through this practice becomes a foundation for achieving success in all aspects of your life, helping you develop a more resilient, determined, and steadfast mindset. Perk number 5 enhances recovery and overall well-being. Ice baths are widely recognized for their physical recovery benefits, reducing inflammation and muscle soreness after intense workouts. But their impact extends beyond the body. Regular cold exposure also boosts overall mental well-being. When immersed in cold water, blood vessels constrict, then rapidly expand upon exiting, improving circulation and nutrient delivery to tissues. This process helps reduce soreness and enhances physical recovery. On a mental level, cold exposure triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators, leading to feelings of happiness and calmness. Many people notice a lift in their mood and energy levels after an ice bath, helping combat symptoms of depression or anxiety. Additionally, the discipline of sticking to a cold routine fosters a greater sense of self-care and resilience. As your body and mind adapt to this challenge, you develop a stronger foundation for handling life's stresses. Ultimately, ice baths support not only physical recovery, but also contribute to a more balanced, energized, and resilient sense of well-being. Practical tips for starting ice baths. Starting an ice bath routine can seem daunting, but with the right approach, it becomes a manageable and rewarding practice. Begin gradually to help your body and mind adapt to the cold. Start with a cold shower or a shorter cold plunge, just 1 to 2 minutes at a higher temperature. Then slowly increase the duration and decrease the temperature over time. Choose a safe location, preferably a bathtub or a large container, and ensure you have warm clothes and blankets nearby for afterward. Always listen to your body. If you experience dizziness, numbness, or intense discomfort, exit immediately. It's crucial to stay within safe limits to prevent hypothermia or injury. Focus on your breathing during the cold exposure. Deep, controlled breaths will help calm your nervous system and reduce the shock response. Practicing mindfulness or visualization can also make the experience less intimidating, helping you stay relaxed and present. Consistent scheduling boosts mental toughness. Aim for the same time daily or several times a week to build a habit. Remember, patience is key. Your body will gradually adapt, making cold exposure easier and more beneficial over time. Incorporating ice baths into your routine can be a powerful way to build mental toughness, reduce stress, and enhance your overall well-being. While it may be challenging at first, consistency and patience will help your body and mind adapt, unlocking benefits that extend far beyond physical recovery. Remember, discomfort is a catalyst for growth. Embracing it elevates your resilience and discipline. Now I challenge you, start small today. Whether it's a cold shower or a brief plunge, take the first step toward developing a stronger, more resilient mind. Share your experiences in the comments. Your journey might inspire others. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and explore more ways to push your limits and elevate your life. Your future self will thank you for it. And remember to check the links in the description for resources and tools to help you on your path. Until next time.